This is the Future Classroom Toolkit. It's a collection of tools, guidance, and other resources for designing future classroom scenarios and using them to bring advanced and innovative learning and teaching to your school and classroom. I should probably clarify here that when we use the term classroom, we are not just talking about a traditional room in a school, but anywhere that learning takes place, including at home or other places outside of school. The Future Classroom Toolkit is a website with 5 toolsets. Each toolset guides the user through the steps in the process for creating a scenario. The toolkit is intended to be used by anyone involved in educational planning, either at a strategy level or thinking more concretely about day-to-day learning and teaching. Toolset 1 focuses on bringing together the right people to build the scenario or vision. For example, when investing in new technology, the head of school might bring together a group of teachers, technology providers, parents and students to hold a workshop to create a shared pedagogical vision in the form of a scenario that will help the head decide which technology to invest in. Equally, a national ministry or regional authority may use the toolkit to work with a group of head teachers and technology providers to develop a national or regional strategy for introducing innovation or dealing with a challenge. Toolset 1 also deals with trends. Trends are the building blocks of a future classroom scenario. Trends such as increased use of certain technologies, changes in interactions such as those created by social networking, and other factors such as policy priorities and curriculum development all need to be considered by educational practitioners in their planning and operation. Toolset 2 covers future classroom maturity modeling. Maturity modeling is a valuable way for a teacher or for school administrators to identify how advanced or innovative their classroom or school is, and what they may want to do to encourage greater innovation. This step sets a target to achieve in terms of the degree of change that is realistically achievable. Toolset 3 explains how to use all this information on trends and innovation maturity to build a future classroom scenario. This is normally done as a workshop activity where the important stakeholders get together to share ideas, knowledge, and experiences. Toolset 3 also provides guidance on how to find existing scenarios that may be highly relevant to a school or authority and how to adapt them. This is a kind of shortcut to scenario development. Toolset 4 provides the guidance and support needed to develop innovative and engaging learning activities, inspired by future classroom scenarios. These learning activities can be used in lesson planning. There are a number of example learning activities provided in the toolkit, and this toolset also provides guidance and support in finding and using technology in the delivery of these learning activities. Toolset 5, the final toolset, covers evaluation and classroom pilots. This is a guide to testing out the learning activities in a classroom and evaluating the results to find out how effective the learning activities have been in helping learners achieve their goals. This final step in the process will help ensure even greater improvements to learning and teaching in the future.